Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to download an image from USGS Earth Explorer. So first we'll type USGS and get the link USGS Earth Explorer. Then we click here and get this interface. So for the first thing is that you have to create an account from here. But I have an account and I have logged in. So now we have to select our study area. For this purpose, we can upload shapefile or we can select from here using polygon. And we have another ways to select our study areas. For this tutorial, I have select the Dhaka. So whenever I zoom here and click use map, this will automatically select, and now we can move it here to precise our study area location. Sorry, and now Dhaka has been selected, and then you have to select your date range. And for this purpose, study purpose, I have taken January 1st, 2022. January 1st, 2021 to December 2020 at 1 December 2021. And then we have to select our cloud coverage, and I have select in 20%. That means within 20% images only shown in this data set, and others will remove. And then we have to select dataset. You have find several datasets, but now we'll download or select the Landsat series, and here we'll use Landsat collection to level 1, and I have select Landsat 8, and here you also get the Landsat 9, and then you can select additional criteria. There has several criteria. As your study purpose, you can select as like land cover, which we have already select. Now click the results. Here you get the results. So first to check the result, we have to click the footprint to see what to see the coverage of your study area, and you see that this image has covered your study area. And if you click here, and you can see that this image didn't cover the Dhaka district. So we have to prioritize this one, and then we have to check the metadata, and for this we have to click here and get all of metadata. There is another way to get the metadata, and this icon is, if you click the icon, you can get all of metadata, and here you get the collection number, tires, everything. But the most important thing is cloud. So you have to first prioritize the cloud, and if you consider the cloud, this cloud, you can then click download option, and here you get several options, type of options, You can download individuals band or overall, but for this tutorial I have downloaded only the natural color. But for the further study, you have to download this collection bundle or your area study based bands. You can select and download from here by clicking. So I have clicked here, and after this clicking here, within short moments my image has been downloaded. So now I have to check this out by adding in ArcMap. Now you can see that this is our downloaded image, and for and to understand the image you have to check this the name of the image, and you have to know every word from the name. And here LC means Landsat, and 08 means Landsat 8, and L1 means level 1, and TP means tires, and 137 means WRS pathway, and 044 means WRS roads, and WRS means World Reference System, which I used to identify the which image location are part of the world. And here is important things. This 2022 11 and 25. This is the date of the image, and it means this image uh, has been taken in 2020 and 25th November to 2021 zero 03, that means March, 16 March 2021, 16 March. And here is 02 means collection 2, and T1 means tire 1 and reflectance. And this image in tip format. You can also check this another information from here, raster information, and you can get several information from here. But the most important information is cell size, which means the spatial resolution, and this is 13 to 30. That means this image contains 30 meter into 30 meter in each pixel, and you can check from this here. If you zoom more and more, and you can get every single pixels. And now you can use measure scale to get the idea about this pixel, and you can get almost 30 meters. And if you check the this side, and it's also 30 meters. That means the resolution of this image is 30 meters. Thank you everyone.